Welcome to the Inspiring Tech Leaders podcast with me, Dave Roberts. Today we're diving into the ongoing battle between two of the most well-established AI chatbots, ChatGPT from OpenAI and Google's Gemini. If you have ever wondered which one is better for answering questions, reasoning, or just casual conversation, stick around. I will explore their strengths, weaknesses, and which one might be the best for your needs, whether you're a student, a business professional, or just someone looking for an AI-powered assistant. Let's start with a breakdown of what these AI chatbots actually are. ChatGPT runs on OpenAI's GPT-4o model. It is a fast, lightweight AI that is accessible without a login, though signing in does improve results. It is designed for general queries, writing, brainstorming, and even helping to debug code. Whereas Google Gemini runs on the 2.0 Flash model. Unlike ChatGPT, it requires a Google login, but offers more features, such as image generation and better integration with Google services like search and maps. Both are AI-powered assistants designed to help with a variety of tasks, but they have some key differences that might impact which one you prefer. Now let's compare their features head to head. First of all, ease of access. No login is required for ChatGPT, but as mentioned, logging in improves results, whereas Gemini does require a Google account to use. Both chatbots connect to the internet for up-to-date answers. While Gemini integrates directly with Google Search and Maps, ChatGPT tends to be more open in answering questions about politics and current events, whereas Gemini is more cautious. The free version of ChatGPT does not support image generation. That is only available in the paid ChatGPT plans. However, the free version of Gemini does support image generation, but it has some limitations, one of those being no people images. ChatGPT sounds more authoritative in its responses. It structures answers in a way that feels confident, even if it's sometimes wrong, while in contrast, Gemini sometimes hesitates or gives vague answers, especially on sensitive topics. At the end of the day, Gemini wins on features thanks to the ability to generate images, but ChatGPT holds its own when it comes to flexibility in answering questions. Both platforms offer paid tiers, but what do you get if you decide to upgrade? The ChatGPT Plus plan is $20 per month, and the Pro plan rises to $200 per month. The Plus plan provides the full GPT-4o model instead of the free mini version, offering more depth and accuracy. It also provides access to DALL-E for image generation. There is also advanced memory and longer context windows with the paid versions of ChatGPT. Gemini Advanced is now $19 per month if you agree to a 12-month commitment. The paid service uses the Gemini Pro model, which is smarter and handles longer conversations better. Gemini Pro provides support for up to 2 million tokens, which is around 1,500 pages of text. Gemini also allows for file uploads, video and audio analysis. So if you need more depth and reliability, the paid plans could be worth it, but for most casual users, the free versions are good enough. ChatGPT has strong reasoning skills, but relies on training data and may not have real-time knowledge without providing the relevant data. Google Gemini integrates better with Google Search, providing more up-to-date information, but accuracy varies. When it comes to coding and programming assistance, ChatGPT is strong in explaining and debugging code, while Gemini is better at generating code, but there are still inconsistencies and hallucinations. And when we say hallucinations, it means that the AI sometimes either gets the information wrong or reports things that are just factually incorrect. That may sound familiar in the world of politics right now. On the topic of politics, ChatGPT is more open to discussing recent political events, while Gemini sometimes refuses to answer. While ChatGPT comes across as confident, it sometimes invents details, so double-checking information is crucial. Research would indicate that Gemini is perhaps slightly more accurate, but ChatGPT gives more useful details in certain areas. So which one would you use? Let's sum it up. I'd recommend using ChatGPT if you want a chatbot that sounds authoritative and confident. ChatGPT is particularly helpful if you need help with writing, brainstorming, and general question and answer conversations. If you need an AI that connects with Google services like Search or Maps, or if you want to generate images without a paid plan, then Gemini is the clear winner. At the end of the day, Gemini wins on features, but ChatGPT still holds the edge for flexibility and creativity. That said, if one chatbot refuses to answer your question, the other is just a click away. So why not use both? Or explore the latest AI agents such as DeepSeek or Manus that are capturing headlines with their capabilities. That's all for today's episode. I hope the breakdown helped you to figure out which AI chatbot is right for you. Let me know which AI chatbot you prefer, ChatGPT, Gemini, or something else altogether. If you've enjoyed this episode of The Inspiring Tech Leaders, don't forget to subscribe and leave a review. Thanks again for listening, and until next time, stay curious, stay connected, and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible in tech.